So, okay, hi guys, it's Mwet out here, the CEO of Jenny Marketing Solution, So, guys and girl, what we're gonna do today is we're gonna talk about something, We're gonna talk about hacking because hacking is rising, And at the same time, I'm gonna explain you the problem that I got back in the day, some like 5 years, 7 years ago, So one day, I wake up and guess what? All my website are down, because someone hacked me. That's the reason why I'll show you what's happened right now. You know what I'm saying? I'll show you what's happened. And like I say, I don't want you to happen to you, you know? So like I say, 6, 7 years back in the day, I wake up and guess what? I got more than 30 websites down. More than 30 websites down because someone hacked my server. Someone hacked my server. For those who don't know, me personally, I'm a database administrator. I'm a database administrator, and at the same time, since that day, so I learned to know how the web security work. You know what I'm saying? That's the reason why, what's happened to me back in the day. I don't want it happened to you. That's the reason why into this video I came out. I came out with a solution. Like I used to say that every problem got a solution. I'm gonna show you the tool, I'm gonna show you the tool. I'm gonna show you how to protect yourself. I'm gonna show you the tool and the way that you need to take, to get your hand into the tool, So like I say, 7 years, 6, 7 years back in the day, when all my website, I got some like a 30 website. All my website is down. One day I wake up, all my website is down, because someone hacked me. And you need to understand that if someone hacks you, so it means you are not gonna make money. You are not gonna make money. That's the reason why you need to protect yourself, like mine, I'm protect myself in 2020, in 2022. You need to understand what I'm saying, So right now, you see, we are into one of my website, local site design. You see all system operational, So it means my website is not down, you know my website is not down, everything working fine. That's the reason why you need to do the the one that I'm showing you right now. You need to do this type of stuff, but right now you can do this type of stuff. I'm gonna show you how you can do it, how the way that you're gonna take to get your hand into this. By this way, you can go set up your website, to see all your system are fully operational. So you see, like I say, one of my website, local site design, is all system operational are working fine, everything working fine. So let me show you the system. You're gonna understand exactly. So right now we are into the system, we are into the system. You see the dashboard, you see all the website that I have, all the website, the last monitor that I make, the last heartbeat, the last statue page, so on and so on, So guys, let's go into monitor. I just want to show you quick, by this way you need to monitor your website, you need to monitor your website the right way, like mine. You see, for example, ILBA, just to show you, ILBA is here, currently up for 2 days, 1 hour 56 minutes. Last checkup 5 minutes ago, 0 incident, average response time. So guys, so on and so on. You need to understand what I'm saying right now. Let's take a look at Jenny Marketing Solution. So uptime 100%, average response time 350.711 ms, incident 0, currently up 4, currently up now, last checkup 4 minutes back. So guys, think about what I'm showing you right now. It makes a lot of sense. So just to let you know, if ever someone hack your website, so it means you will see it here into the system, You will see into the system. I'm gonna show you how you will find the SQL injection. You know what I'm saying? The virus, the malicious virus into your website. I'm gonna show you everything and how to get rid, of this malicious virus. So this is the type of stuff that you need to do. Like I say, you see all my websites are listed down. But like I say, I'm not gonna show you. I'm not gonna show you the list of my domain name. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna show you that. But let's go into the heartbeat. So the heartbeat is here. You see all my websites are here. The heartbeat is here. Let's take a look at the heartbeat of ILBA just to see. ILBA, uptime, currently down for 24 days. You see, it is just I just make this quick video just to show you how it works. You know what I'm saying? So let's take a look at the domain name. You're gonna understand exactly what I'm gonna show you before after I go to show you. You see all my domain name are listed. You see the expiry, the expiration date. The expiration date. You see everything, guys. All the information that you need to know. So like I say, that that your domain name can expire. And once it expires, so it means you are going to see some you are going to see it into the system. Think about it. Think about it. You see the expiration date. You see everything, guys. So let's take a look at the status page. So like I say, the statistic page is here. The statistic page is here. Like let's take a look at SMS Bot Masterclass just to show you. Okay, you see SMS Bot Masterclass is here. All system operational. Everything is working fine. So this is the type of stuff that you need to do. This is the type of stuff that you need to do. Let's take a look at the project. The project are here. If ever you wanna view the status page, you can do that. You can do that just to show you. You can do that. There is no status page right now, so you can do a lot of stuff. You can do a lot of stuff. You can create a notification handlers through your email or I don't know through your phone. So you can do a lot of stuff. You can do a lot of stuff. But before I switch, let me show you. Let me show you the program. Because we got two programs. We got two programs. So once you take action, so it means you will got your hand into these two tools. These two tools and how to use it. You see the dashboard is here. This is a dashboard that you are going to get once you take action. So it means you will see all the number of SQL attacks, you will see it here. All the bad bots, you will see here. All the proxies, you will see here. If someone trying to spam you on your website, you will see it here. Just take a look. SQL injection, bad bot, proxies, spammers, Let me show you guys, you're gonna understand, the protection module. The logging setting. So the protection module is here. You wanna protect your SQL protection. You can do it. You wanna protect yourself against bad bots. You can do it too. You wanna protect yourself about proxy. You can do it too. It's the same for the spam. The logging setting is here. SQL logging, you will see it. Bad bot logging, the proxy logging, the spam logging, so on and so on. So on and so on. Now here you can see everything that you need to know. The stats. Where the threats are coming. Maybe the threat is come from UK, India, Turkey. So guys, I'm gonna show you how you can ban all these guys. Ban them easy. Nowadays you need to ban some country. Those guys who come to ask you. So ban them without no mercy. So let's take a look at the site information just to show you. Okay, the site information is here. The response time, you see it. The PHP configuration file, you see it. The PHP error log, you see it. The then version, you see it. The time zone, you see it. The meta tag status, you see it. You see the title, the description, the author, the crawling file, the robotext, the XML sitemap, the XML sitemap, 550 file, 23 folders, 387 image, 74 PHP file, 10 HTML file, 60 CSS file, 3 GSS file, So guys, you need to understand what I'm showing you right now, What I'm showing you right now, it make a lot of sense, So here you can see where the domain IP is, where the domain IP is. So it means if you wanna block someone through an IP, you can do it, guys. All you need to do is just copy that IP, copy that IP and block that IP, block that IP, and we see that IP is come from your UK, that is using an Apache server, YK, the ISP is YK UK Limited, the ISP is an internet service provider, if you don't know, So the server OS is here, Linux. The PHP version is 7.4.8. MySQL version is here, 5.5.5, 10.3.27. MariaDB, server port 80, open 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 version, 1.1.1 G20, curl extension 7.7. HTTP protocol is here, gateway interface. So guys, you need to understand what I'm showing you right now. So let me show you the IP list. All your IP lists will be into this area that you are seeing here, the IP list. You want to ban someone, all you need to do is just put his IP here. Put his IP here, and add it into the section IP list. So let's go into file whitelist. Okay, you want to whitelist some like a file, a folder. So all you need to do is just the file patch, the file patch of the folder, put it here and add it. By this way, everything is done fine, warning page. Okay, so guys and girls, folks, into this page, you are gonna see, the malicious request was detected. So it means all the warning page that you got some like a virus malicious, so it will be listed here. The SQL injection, the proxy access to the website via proxy VPN Tor is not allowed. Disable browser data compression if you have it enabled. So by the way, guys, those who are using Tor is not allowed. It's not allowed. You need to disable it. So those who don't know what is Tor, so we are going to make another video where I'm going to explain you what is Tor, what is VPN, what is proxy. I'm going to explain you everything that you need to know. The spam is here. You are in the blacklist of spam and you cannot continue to the website, So it means if someone trying to spam you, all you need to do is just take his IP, and put it into the spam section. Let's take a look at the banned IP. You are banned and you cannot continue to the website. So guys and girls, like I say, if the guys come with the IP to hack you, something like that, he do some tricky stuff on your website. So all you need to do is just ban his IP, ban his IP, take this IP and put it here and ban it, If you want to ban some like Afghanistan, you can do it. You want to ban some like URSS, you can do it. You can do it. You can ban all kind of country that you want to. The blocked browser. You wanna block those who are using Mac OS. So you can do it, guys. You can do it. The block OS access to the website through your operating system is not owing. So guys, you can do all this stuff. You wanna block an ISP. ISP, like I say, stand for Internet Service Provider. It can be some like SFR in France, where I am right now. It can be some like Bouygues Telecom, it can be some like Orange, it can be Lika Mobile, so on and so on. If you want to block them, so all you need to do is just come into the ISP, block it ISP, and put the ISP here, the IP, and block them. The blocked referral, your referral URL is blocked and you cannot continue to the website. So guys and girls, folks, you need to do all type of stuff like this, to protect yourself against hack, And like I used to say, hacking is growing right now, Hacking is growing right now. FBI want you to protect yourself, against a Russian hacker, Think about it. You know what I'm saying? It makes a lot of sense what I'm saying. So into this page, you're gonna see the logging history. The admin, the IP of the admin, the date, the logging status, is it is successfully or not, the IP lookup, just to show you, you're gonna see. The IP lookup is here, We see that the guys, the IP of the guys is here, He comes from Italy, The region is Sicily, Palermo, The ISP is fast web. The ISP is fast web, You see the map is here, The map is here, The possible location of the target is here, So the log is here too, The IP address, the type of attack that he trying to make, the date, the browser that he use, you know what I'm saying? It use Google Chrome, the OS that he use, Windows, the country is here, Italy, and action detail, if you want to delete it, so you can do it, you can do it. Everything that you need to know is here, So the IP address is here, the browser is here, the country, the city, the date time, the operation system, the region, the ISP is here, the referral website, and the threat type is here, the threat type is here. So user malicious, so on and so on, Just take a look at the map, Just take a look at the map. We see that the guys, he try to attack, to attack the index.php. Think about it. By the way, guys and girls, you need to protect yourself. Like I used to say, you need to protect yourself. So let's take a look at all logs. No, SQL log. Okay, the SQL injection log is here, So it means we see the IP address, the date, the browser, the OS that he used, the country, and the details, so on and so on, So folks, you want to ban this guy, so all you need to do is just copy the IP and ban these guys, Or you want to ban the country, ban the whole country. You can do all type of stuff, If you are not selling your product into a country, so ban them, ban them. So let's go into SQL log. I think SQL log. So let's go into the bad bot. Okay, so the bad bot, guys, is here. Bad bot log, So let me explain some fact about bad bot, So a lot of folks, they don't know that once you go in YouTube, in Google, I will say, you will see a lot of bot, All type of bot exists nowadays, A bot who bring traffic, all type of bot, But with the system, you can block this bot. Think about it, You can block them, And you need to block this bot, Maybe the bot want to ask you something like that, but you can do something, Let's take a look at the proxy log. The proxy log is here, guys. The ISP, the IP address is here, the date, the browser, the OS, the country, and the detail. Let's take a look at the detail. We see that the guys is here, the IP is here, the date, the operation, the browser, the country. We see everything, guys. The threat type. He wanna make some like attack through proxy, something like that, or user agent, the attack page is index.php. So guys and girl, folks, you need to secure yourself, you need to secure yourself. Like I say, me personally, I don't want what's happened to me back in the day happen to you. Spam a lot. You wanna block some spam. You can do that, guys. You can do that. The system is so easy to use. Let's take a look at the security checker, the PHP function. The command execution is here, the PHP code execution, the information disclosure, file system function order. Just take a look. You can take a look at this, guys. The command execution is here. Just take a look at this. But once you take action, I will show you how all of this works. I will show you how all of this work, how to protect your PHP against the hackers. I will show you everything that you need to know regarding this product that you are seeing here. Regarding this product that you are seeing here. So I know for a fact, but a lot of you are watching me, it seems like a Chinese to you, but no problem, no problem. Once you take action, I will show you everything that you need to know, the PHP configuration. Okay, the PHP configuration checker is here, the risk is high, the name of the description, the reason, the recommendation. So just take a look at this, guys, Like I say, once you take action, I will show you everything that you need to know, the critical case, everything, and how to get rid of these hackers, who trying to hack your website, Let's take a look at the analytic, The analytic is here, live traffic. You wanna see where it come the traffic. The traffic is come from Italy. Italy, UK, Netherlands, United Kingdom, so on and so on. Just take a look at this. So let's take a look at the visit analytics. Okay, visit analytics. Today starts 0 online visitor, 14 unit visit, 29 total visits, 1 bot visit, 51 unique visit for the month, 117 total visit for bot visit, So guys, like I say, you need to protect yourself against the bot visit, You need to protect yourself against this bot, You see it here. You see it here. Visit by country. United Kingdom, 35 visitor. So it means into this page you can take a look at how it look. Your traffic. Like I say, guys and girls, you need to secure your traffic. I don't want someone come into your business and steal your traffic. You know what I'm saying? Because if the guys, or I don't know, the the hacker folks, they hack your website or they steal your traffic, you're not gonna make money. Think about it. You're not gonna make money. You're not gonna make money. So let's take a look at the error monitoring. The error monitoring is here. The error visibility. You can take a look at this. Everything, guys, that you need to know. Like I say, remember, once you take action, I will show you how all this stuff work. How all this stuff work, how the HTA access editor work. So I will show you how to do all of this, how to rewrite it, how to do everything that you need to know, but you need to take action. Remember, like I say, what's happened to me, if it happened to you, all your website will be down. Like I say, me back in the day, some like 6-7 years back in the day, I got some like a 30 website, and guess what? One day I wake up, all my website is gone, because someone hacked me, and I don't want what's happened to me happen to you, What's happened to me happen to you, If someone hack you, so it means you can scan the port, man, guys. Guys, think about it. You can come here, and scan the port to see where is the threat. Where is the threat? IP blacklist, like I was saying. You wanna make some like a IP lookup, just IP lookup. Let's do it. The IP, we're gonna find the IP where it come from. Which country, for example. Gonna show us everything that we need to know regarding this IP that you are seeing here. Okay, let me open Google just to show you, find my IP, what is my IP, what is my IP. Okay, guys, my IP is here, my IP is here. This is a public IP. IP is here, my IP is here. Let me do this. Let me do this just to show you. Let's come back just to show you guys, Okay, let's take a look. Let's take a look at the IP lookup just to show you. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm wait out here, So, like I say, the IP lookup is here, The database, the reverse IP, I see it. Everything is here, You see it? You see, guys, what you are seeing right now, you know? So this is my IP. This is my IP. This is my IP, but don't watch this video, you know what I'm saying? Trying to take my IP, and trying to see which website I use, I use or not. You know what I'm saying? It's just to show you. Let's take a look at the hashing. Okay, you wanna hash some like a text string. So you can do it, guys. All you need to do is just put your text here, and hash it. I don't know. You wanna crypt it. You wanna crypt it. You wanna put some like MD4 or MD5. You wanna put some like a base64. So you can do all type of stuff, guys. Think about it. You can do all type of stuff that you need. You can do all type of stuff. The cryptographic hash function is here. So like I say, guys, once you take action, I will show you everything that you need to know. I will show you everything that you need to know. so like I say, the tool, is here. A1 uptime. You know what I'm saying? Like I say, into the video, into this course that you are seeing here, you are going to have some like this, We protect your website and keep it clean, with 24 monitoring of your website. We make sure that it is protected from hacker and theft. You need to protect yourself from hackers and theft. Identify indicator of compromise with various alert options. Unlimited malware removal and premium response SLA, a lightning fast page speed with our highest optimized CDN, just take a look at our future. A1 is a powerful website security app that will protect your website from hacker attacks and other threats. It will protect your website from SQL attacks, SQL injection, XSS vulnerability, proxy visitor, VPN visitor, Tor visitor, spam, and many other types of threat. So by the way, into a next video, I will show you how to make some like a SQL attack. How to put a website down. So the protection module. A1 Security use an intelligent algorithm similar to the one used by major industry company to detect all no hacker attacks, as well as new unknown threat using code recognition and pattern, and automatically take action. Okay. Product to future, SQL protection from SQL injection, SQL and XSS vulnerability, cross-site scripting, proxy protection from proxy, VPN, and Tor visitor or so-called people hiding behind proxies. Spam protection from spammer and spam bot that aim to spam your website. So guys, you need to protect yourself from spammer, and like I say, the spam bot, because a lot of spam bot exists into the market. You need to understand what I'm saying. The bad word filtering, protection module that filter profanity, bad words, bad link, bad sentence, and other bad content in real time. So backward filtering. So backward filtering, guys, you need to do this. You need to do backward filtering. Some like let me give you an example of backward filtering. For example, someone come to write some like a dick, the word dick, D-I-C-K, or the word pussy into your website. So you don't accept it. You don't have to accept this type of bullshit. Just to be aware, that's the reason why you need to filter the bad word into your website. If someone come to make some like if someone come to blog with you, and put some bad words, so filter them without touching them, without talking with them. Input sanitization, protection model that automatically sanitize all incoming and outgoing requests and response. DNSBL integration with some of the best spam database. DNSBL to protect your website from bad visitor. So like I say, guys, bad visitor happen. Ban system help you to block and redirect visitor, users, IP address, country IP range, operation system, browser, internet, ISP provider, and referrer. So like I say, if ever you want to ban someone, so ban them. You want to ban a country, so ban them. You want to ban an ISP, so ban them. You got the right to do whatever you want. Bad bot and crawler protection. Block many bad bot and crawler that will waste your website bandwidth. So guys, like I say, a lot of bad bot, a lot of bad bot exists in the market, so you need to protect yourself about the bad bot and the fake bot, Fake bot protection. Verify search engine bot that visit your website, whether they are real or fake. So guys, I got a question. What you gonna do? What you gonna do if you got some like a high traffic into your website? Do you got what it takes to verify it? On the search engine optimization. I just want you to answer to my question. What you gonna do to recognize the fake bot? Like I say, you got traffic into your website, but you don't know where the traffic is come from. Do you don't know if the you don't know if the bot, the traffic is real, if the bot, if the traffic is fake. So I mean, if the traffic is fake, so it means it's handled by a fake bot, a bad bot, So it means you need to get rid, you need to get rid of bad bot, and the fake bot, So header checks. Every visitor response header will be checked, and if they are suspicious object, their access to the website will be denied. So guys, you need to do this, header check. You know what I'm saying? If they do some tricky stuff, so deny them access. Auto ban function that will automatically block attackers and threats such as bad bot, crawler, and other. Like I say, ban them. Ban them. Ban them in automation. You don't have to talk with them. Each threat and attack is logged into the database, so you can view them later. So the threat log, the attack and the threat, the guys, they try to log into your database, and once they go there, so they will do what they gotta do. Like I say, into a next video I will show you, how to hack a website, how to hack a website. So by the way, for those who are watching me, you know what I'm saying, think I'm a hacker, I'm a this, I'm a that. No, I'm none of that. I am just a security guys. Do not confond hackers and a security guys. Me, I'm a security guys. I'm not here to act nobody, just to be clear with everybody, because a lot of people, they are going to watch the video, they don't know nothing about what I am talking about, and after that, guess what? They trying to make a reverse engineer with that stuff on me, I got them, but I'm not talking to all these guys. If you don't have a website, what I'm about to show you right now, this is not for you. Just to be clear, this is not for you. This is strictly for those who got website. If you don't got website, so this is not for you. Just to be clear with everybody, and if you don't got a website too, don't try to come into my business, say, yo, M is this, M is a hacker, M is this and that. No, I am none of that. I'm just a security guys, and a lot of you who think that you can bring this type of stuff, so bring it on the table, bring it on the table. Bring it on the table. And by the way, before you bring it on the table, you need to come discuss with us about all this fact, the IP lookup, the detail log, the dashboard with stats, the useful tool, the error monitoring, so on and so on. Think about it. What I'm saying, it makes a lot of sense, So detail log. The log contains many information about the threat attack, like browser operation, system country, state, CPU user agent, location on the map, and other useful information. I just show you that on the map. I just show you the detail log. So let's take a look at the IP log lookup. You can investigate IP address and check if it is present in the script database or not. Guys, I just show you, how I do IP lookup. I just show you how I do IP lookup. But if you want to do IP lookup like us, you want to know who is using this IP, what is the address of this IP, this IP is using which ISP. So all this type of stuff, if you need to know how to do it, so you need to come into our project, into our tool, our security tool, email notification. You will receive an email notification when attacks or threat is detected. Guys, and girls, you need to do this type of stuff, You need to have an email notification, Some like once a bad stuff happen into your website, so guess what? You will receive an email automatically. So dashboard with steps. On the dashboard, you can check the steps for the protection of the website. Think about it. I just show you that. Useful tool. Collection of tools such as HTS access editor, hash generator, and other. So guys, you need to understand what I am showing you right now. Error monitoring. Useful tool that show or log error from your website. Like I say, you need to monitor your website the right way. The IP file and file whitelist. A list of IP and file that will be in your by the app and will not be blocked. It only depends on you. The live traffic. Observe your traffic in real time as they interact with your website. This is what I was talking about, So if you got some like a fake bot, you got a lot of traffic, into your website, but you don't got what it takes, to diagnose, the live traffic through your website. Think about it, And like I say, I give you all the tool into this course, I give you the business and the tool, by this way, you can protect yourself from bad guys, So visit analytics, track and analyze how people use your website. You need to do this, You need to have some like a camera on your website, By this way, you can know everything that people will do into your website. So the PHP configuration checker. Check current PHP configuration for potential security flaw. Guys, you need to update your PHP. You need to upgrade your PHP configuration, So site information, page with a large amount of information and statistic about your website. Think about it, Think about it, guys, So like I say, the course is here. The course is here, so all you need to do is just come, into our website. All you need to do is just come into our website, you know what I'm saying, our CMS. So I will say jennymarketingsolution.com. So let me show you jennymarketingsolution.com, guys. You're going to understand exactly what I'm about to. Just bear with me, guys, and go. Okay, so right now we are into the CMS, the CMS of Jenny Marketing Solution. So like I say, CMS stand for Content Management System, So guys and girls, all I want you to do is just go on our website, jennymarketingsolution.com. Once you go there, all you need to do is just click to access the members area, Jenny Marketing Solution, creative and digital marketing agency in Paris, France. A full service, globally integrated digital marketing agency offering innovative, creative digital marketing and web development solution and software development. This is what we do, guys, So guys, let's play this video.
Hello and welcome to our website. We are so excited. We want to share what we have in store for you today. Please take a moment to look around so you can take advantage of the special offers and all the bonuses. Let me give you 7 reasons why you need to take action right now and join the customers who already are enjoying the membership benefits. 1. As a member, you get a no questions asked money back guarantee. 2. We have an in-depth training that will take you through the entire process. 3. With your membership, you get access to our dedicated support team who are ready to answer all your questions. 4. Our team has a combined experience of more than 10 years, so you can be assured you are getting the best resources and tools that will help you succeed. 5. Our special partnerships let us offer you advantages no one can. 6. You can enjoy lifetime updates to the members area with new and up-to-the-minute content. 7. If you take action right now, you can get access to the special launch discount and all the bonuses. Don't miss out. Get in now with all the bonuses before they expire. Looking forward to working with you.
So guys and girls, folks, we are looking forward to working with you. Right now, what I want you to do is just put your name here, put your name here and put your email here, By this way, you will be inside our CMS, and do not, once you are into the CMS, inside the content management system of Jenny Marketing Solution. So all you need to do is just go browse on our course library, course library. By this way, you are going to find this course that you are seeing here, The course is inside, the course is inside the CMS of Jenny Marketing Solution, So guys, thank you a lot for watching this video, Like I say, a lot of videos like this are on the way to coming, and if ever you need help, so I invite you to come put your name here, put your name here and put your email here. By this way, you will be inside our CMS, And if ever you need to book an appointment with me, so all you need to do, guys, is just book an appointment with me, and after we are going to talk about your business. So thank you a lot for watching this video. Like I say, a lot of videos like this are on the way to coming. Thank you and have a great day. Thank you.